Alright, so we're gonna do another full self-driving test to Costco. So the visualizations changed a lot. So you'll see when you go. It still takes a little while, but it does see this kind of road sooner. So let's see. So right now it's kind of seeing the road, and then once we kind of see that thing, it's gonna show like a lot of stuff. Is it? Unless I turned it off. No, it should be on. There. See, now it shows so much more. You can actually see all the cars in the parking lot, in their driveways and stuff. So now it shows like way more stuff. Let's turn the air on. I thought it, like when it kept disengaging last time, I thought it was because I kept looking down like here to see what it was doing. Whoa. And then it likes to hug this side of the road and then go over there, which is like how I drive. So it's kind of interesting. But it can't do the entrance back onto this, like the turn in here. And it also stays too much to the right for this kind of thing. Like I feel it should stay more to the left so people turning right will have room. Okay, so it's doing that right. And it did that way too early. I would have stayed left and see, that's like, nope. Yeah, so it makes like, I don't know, it's not, or maybe is it I have to leave it in assertive mode for it to do it? What the? I guess technically that's a yield. So that would have been fine. Okay, and then once it enters, it's going to turn that off. Wow, it already saw the 65-mile-an-hour speed limit. Okay, let's see. And then basically once it goes into the freeway. Go, you're running out of road! Took too long. What is it doing? The car in front was too slow, I guess. Yeah, so it does like all this, it drives more, I don't know, like I'm not going faster than that car, so it should have just stayed in the right lane. Like, see, now I'm going to be blocking the fast lane, which is kind of dumb. So the car doesn't like, I feel like for the full self-driving, they should probably disable the set max speed limit, because when people normally drive, when people normally drive, like they'll, what do you say, like speed up for certain situations, right, beyond the speed limit. So I feel like it should, the AI thing should be able to do that, like up to a certain point.
You're on chill mode. Maybe it's a difference. You should try it as a did later.
Yeah, I'll try it later. But then it says it will stay in the passing lane, right? So,
take exit 5
like, I don't understand why, like, over here, because the exit's all, like, coming up, right? But it keeps wanting to go to it kept wanting to go to the left lane for some reason. Like, it makes no sense. Why would it want to go over there? There's nothing over there. So. So they kind of should add a little, I don't know if they can, but like add a thing like changing lanes for slow traffic or something. Or
it does have it.
It does sometimes.
So if you're using,
but when it was doing it earlier, it didn't say anything. Like it just randomly said changing lanes. So it's kind of, but yeah, I've seen that before. Like it'll say changing lanes. Like for like faster traffic or something. Yeah. And then a lot of the exits, it takes them at like high speed. Like it doesn't slow down for the exit too much. Oh, it's doing it now. A little bit.
In 500 feet, keep left at the fork.
takes it more aggressive. Let's see if it's gonna know the 25 mile an hour. See, it's still going like 50. Is it gonna? Okay, 45. That's not. Is it okay? 40. Okay, so it gradually does it. Okay, so it's actually doing it right. I would think this would count as aggressive turning on the safety score.
No, it's not.
No?
No.
When it was going around
35.
30 something?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Cars. Whoa.
The bicycle lane confuses it.
Yeah. It likes to. A lot of the turns it does that. Like it's like I'm not sure. Like turn. It does that a lot on those kinds of
In
turns.
500 feet, turn right onto Hostetter Road.
Okay, let's see what it
Now
does.
turn right onto Hostetter Road.
And also it could be like when I was testing it last time, it was at night. So it's harder for it to see. There's cars turning. Wait. Okay, I stopped. I accidentally stopped it. I held it too hard.
Well, it's the right thing to do.
Yeah.
Because there's no camera on that side, you cannot see the car turning.
Yeah. I noticed like one time when I was checking, because there was one where my light turned green, or it was red light, but the cross traffic had also red. And then when I turned right to go, then all the cars were still like going as if they didn't have a red light, and I was like, what? They just like ran the light. Hey, let go, it's telling me to pay attention. Let go. You're gonna get me another disengagement because it thinks I'm holding the phone. The camera is too sensitive. It thinks, like, even if I'm not doing it, it thinks I'm doing it. So if you hold the phone, you have to hold it like all the way over there. It sees if your hand is holding it, then it thinks I'm holding it. Hopefully it's not gonna count and disengage me a second time. That's gonna suck.
In
That's crazy.
500 feet, turn right onto Automation Parkway.
It's going too fast. Okay, so I think it doesn't know that it can take this. Yeah, it doesn't know that it can take that.
Now turn right onto Automation Parkway.
Go. Whoa. Okay. Well, I'm probably gonna stop it because I want to go to the other exit. Not that one.
Now
Yeah,
turn
it would have.
left.
It wouldn't even taken the. It wouldn't have taken the center one. It would have just tried to cut in front of all of them. Yeah, when I was saying pay attention to the road, I was like, what is it talking about? And now I know it's like very sensitive. If it thinks you're holding a phone, it'll just blame you for it. What the heck? This person's like following so close. I wonder if it needs multiple warnings, because every time it told me that to pay attention to the road, I just turned off the thing, thinking that it won't like trigger the it disabled it for you thing, but it still stopped me. But it happened like so many times to where I couldn't turn it back on. You know how sometimes if you like go over the speed of, if you go over the max speed of the full self-driving, it'll randomly like or it'll tell you like you can't use it anymore. Oh. Someone leaving?
No, that car took it. Can try this side. This couple.
That person's taking that one. That person's just getting out. Oh, also it's not very good in like driveways. I tried it like going in Gulfland and it was having like a really tough time. Oh man, so bad traffic. It can drop you off first and then find parking.
Sounds good. I need to queue anyway.
Yeah. Oh shoot, should I just stop here? I might stop you now. Let's see. Let me park it and see. Okay, it didn't give me the disengagement. Actually, let me see if I get my butt up. Let me pause this. Yeah, so I didn't get in trouble this time for that, since I had my friend let go of the phone soon enough, I guess. So if I go back to this, autopilot, yeah, it said it only did it once. So if you keep ignoring it and you keep holding your phone, then it will get mad at you. But if you only do it like once or twice, then it's okay, I guess. Oh no, I'm gonna be trapped here forever. Alright, anyways, that's the end of that. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.